Dear children, let us study the different forms of energy. Energy is obtained in various forms in our surrounding, and we use that energy in our everyday day-to-day life. Let us see those forms of energy. The first one is mechanical energy. Mechanical means Yantrik Urja. In Marathi it is called Yantrik Urja. The definition is the energy obtained through machines is called mechanical energy. Examples are all machines like washing machine, sewing machine, mixer, TV, computer, laptop. All these machines are the examples of mechanical energy. They work on by using the mechanical energy. Then potential energy. Potential energy is energy stored in an object due to its position is called potential energy. In Marathi it is called Stitij Urja. We have studied the examples in previous lecture. We have studied potential as well as kinetic energy in detail with examples and definitions also. So, potential energy, spring, catapult, then stretched rubber, these are the examples of potential energy. Then kinetic energy, moving vehicles, then objects in motion. All these objects in motion are the example of kinetic energy, that means Gatij Urja. The definition is energy obtained through motion is called kinetic energy. Then playing carom, playing marbles, the moving car, moving bicycle, all these things are the examples of kinetic energy. We have also studied the example of hydroelectricity, that is produced when the water is flowing through so much height. When it falls from so much height on the turbine or wheel, moving turbine or wheel, at that time there is production of electricity, and that is called hydroelectricity. That is also an example of kinetic energy because it is based on moving thing. Then heat energy. Heat energy is very common for you. Sunlight, we get energy from sun. Sun is the never-ending source of energy. Sun, it is the main source of energy for all of us, for all universe. So, sunlight is the main source of heat energy. Cooker, then bonfire, oven, a heater, these are the examples of heat energy. There are so many examples. If we rub our hands, due to friction there is production of heat energy. If I take these rubbed hands on my cheeks, I will feel warmth here. Why? Because of heat energy. Then light energy. Also, one thing is that heat is expressed in the unit calorie. Calorie is the unit of heat. And temperature is different. The unit of temperature is degree Celsius, but unit of heat is calorie. Then light energy. Sunlight, tube light, photosynthesis. These are there are so many examples of light energy. Now, this light, as we get heat from sun, we also get light from sun. From sunlight, we get tremendous amount of light energy. The whole universe get light energy at the same time due to the source of energy, and that is sun. Then tube light, whenever we switch on tube, at that time we get light energy. Photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, food is produced by using photo. Photo means light. Light and chlorophyll, in the presence of chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water, they are used, and there is production of carbohydrates or food, and that food is produced by plants only because they contain chlorophyll, and this food is consumed by the different animals. Then sound energy. Mics, DJ, music are examples of sound energy. Now the next is chemical energy. Food, crackers, wood, battery. There are also so many examples of chemical energy. This chemical energy, it is also obtained by chemical action. Energy obtained through chemical actions is called chemical energy. In Marathi, it is called Rasainik Urja. Here, we have seen that we consume food. This food contains chemicals are there in it, and that's why it is the source of chemical energy. Then crackers, when we burst fireworks or crackers at the time of Diwali, we used to burst we light the crackers, and at that time when they burst, there is production of heat energy, light energy as well as sound energy. These three are emitted by bursting of crackers. But in which form they are previously? They are in chemical form. This chemical energy is stored here in crackers, in food, and when we use it at that time in the crackers, it is converted, it is transformed into three forms: light energy, then heat energy and sound energy is there. Then wood also have chemical energy in it, and when we burn wood at that time, there is production of heat energy, and also there is production of light energy because we see the flame there, and not only light energy and heat energy, but there is some sound energy also. Crackling sound is there, and that is also nothing but chemical conversion of chemical energy into heat, light and sound energy. Then in case of battery, also there is lead acid stored in the battery, and that is chemical. That's why there is chemical energy. But this chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. In this way, battery is also an example of chemical energy. Then electrical energy. The examples are mixer, fan, bulb, iron, tube, etc. Solar energy. Solar energy, it is no doubt we get this solar energy from our main source, sun. One and only one. Then solar cooker, solar heater, solar cell. Nowadays solar energy is used everywhere because Modi ji insists on the use of solar energy. Government is giving subsidies for that, and because of that we know sun is rising every day, it is setting every day, and sun is giving energy to the whole world every day, but we do not previously we were not using that energy. We should use that energy, and that's why nowadays people are becoming aware of use of solar energy, and this solar energy is used at so many places. Among 10 houses, 8 houses are using solar electricity because through that we are saving the electricity. Then solar cooker, it is used for cooking things. Solar heater is used for heating water. Then solar cell, that is also used for so many purposes like electricity is also provided. The whole electrical appliances they can run by using solar energy. It has so much capacity. Then wind energy, we see so many windmills. When we travel at that time, we see so many windmills, and these windmills, they produce wind energy, and that is also very helpful for us. Hydel power. Hydel means hydroelectricity, and this hydel power, Jala Vidyut. It is just now I have explained you at the time of kinetic energy how hydroelectricity Jala Vidyut is produced. For that, Koyna hydroelectricity project is famous. Jayakwadi project. In Aurangabad, we get water from Jayakwadi Dam, that is situated in Paitan, the historical place, and from there we get water, because hydroelectricity is produced at Jayakwadi Dam, and that is Jayakwadi hydroelectricity project. Then tidal energy. Tidal energy is used for generating electricity on sea waves. We are using sea waves. Sea waves are coming with so much force, and because of that, they can be used for producing electricity, and that's why tidal energy is an example of it. Then atomic energy, Anu Urja. This atomic energy is used in atomic bomb. Then fission of uranium and thorium, it is used for producing electricity. Then atomic energy is also very useful. It is very useful, but we have to use it for the welfare of human beings, welfare of society, welfare of country. We should not use it for the destruction of countries. We have seen that in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, in this atomic bomb was because of atomic bomb there was bomb explosion, and because of that so many people they have to face death, and there was so much loss of life as well as loss of money, or economic loss was also there. Then magnetic energy, Chumbakiya Urja. We have seen frequently the examples of magnetic energy like magnetic toys, magnetic crane, then magnetic compass, magnetic needle, maglev train, magnetic belt. There are so many examples of magnetic energy. All these energies are very important in our day-to-day life. See, remember one thing, energy is it is constant in the universe. It can neither be created nor be destroyed. The amount of energy in the universe remains the same every time. The energy can neither be created and nor be destroyed. But the energy can be transformed, converted into one form to another form. For example, we have seen in case of crackers that when we burst crackers, at that time the chemical energy was there, and that chemical energy was converted into heat energy, light energy and sound energy. That means there is conversion of energy from one form to another, but there is no creation of energy and no destruction of energy. This is the law of conservation of energy. The energy in the universe remains same every time. Thank you.